I'm live. It's Math 75, section 6.4, part 3. Ooh, and I can turn on a light. Ooh, let there be light. And we were talking about bonds. And bonds are really interesting creatures. Basically, they have a set price at the end, and we have to figure out what the price should be at the beginning, how much we're willing to pay for this instrument that will give us money over time. So we were just finishing when we left our heroes. We were just finishing figuring out, oh my gosh, all of the computations. We figured out that they're going to be coupon payments every 6 months worth $250. We also figured out that it's 7.2% interest or yield. We were expecting to spend about $3,500 right there, down at the bottom there, about $3,500 just for the right to get $10,000 in 15 years. So now we're moving on to figuring out the present value of the coupon payments, the interest payments. So we're going to be getting coupon payments of $250. There are going to be 30 of them. The reason for that is it's 15 years times twice a year. Because these are semi-annual coupon payments. So here is the formula. Now, why are we using this formula instead of another one? Well, we want to know the price right now. So this is present value. And this is going to be repeated payment. It's $250 every 6 months. So repeated payments, and we're looking at the present value, what it's worth right now. So just to make it easier, I typed this all in ahead of time. $250. And again, we are looking at hopefully earning 7.2%. That's the yield we're looking at for our money. So over the next 15 years, we're hoping that we could get about 7.2%. So why is it 0.036? Well, that's what R is. So I is equal to R over M. So that's 0.072 all over 2. That's where the 0.36 comes from. That's where that amount comes from. And then there are 30 payments. And we have to calculate this. Shall we calculate this part? Okay. So this is going to be, again, I will go across the top there. So I'll do 250 times parenthesis 1 minus 1.036 raised to the negative 30 power, close parenthesis, equals, and then I will divide by 0.036, and I will get this amount, 4540.9404 and some other things. So approximately 4540.94. And what we're supposed to do is add all of these various things up. So let's talk about what we're going to add up. So we've got the present value of the maturity value. Present value of the maturity value. There we go. The present value of $10,000 in 15 years. And here's the thing. There's no given, there's no like official rate. You decide when you're trying to price a bond, you decide, I want to make 7.2%. So if that's what you want to try to make, then that would tell you how much you're willing to pay for this bond. It may be that you're just not willing to buy this bond, or the prices right now are too high. You don't, if the price is too high, you won't make 7.2%. So maybe you don't invest in this. So you decide what the interest rate is, what you're hoping to earn. And we worked that out. This part was on the first page, this present value. And this one was, we used the, where was I going to show you? Blah, 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 right. That was this part right here at the bottom. We use S equals P times 1 plus, and we were using the I to the nth formula, but you could also use the 1 plus R over M to the MT, your choice, to figure that out. And that amount was, we figured it out as, there we go, 3461.05. Okay. That's $250 every 6 months. Now, this is a repeated payment. So the present value of that, we used the formula we just got, the A equals R times the quantity 1 minus 1 plus I to the opposite of N all over I. And we got, how much was that one? We just got it. It was right up there. We just did it right there. And that is $4,540.94. So all together, we price this bond at $4540.94 plus 3461.05, and we get $8,001.99. So about $8,002. And again, if the price goes above this, the interest rate goes down. If the price goes down, the interest. So this is the price at 7.2%. But if suddenly nobody wants to buy the bonds and the price falls, and if the price falls down to like 7,900, then you have the opportunity to earn more interest. If suddenly everyone wants to get in the bond market and the price of bonds goes up because everyone's like, give it to me, no, to me, then interest rates will fall. So it's, again, it moves in opposition to interest rates. We did it. You got through the bond section. I'm very proud of you. That was not easy. We've got one more section in chapter 6, which, well, I don't know when you're going to see it. I'm going to record it right now. And, but woohoo, we are almost done with the finance stuff. Yay. And the next section, we're going to buy a car. Woohoo! Decide what kind of car you want. I know what car I want. Let's get a Mustang. Okay. Math on.